Here comes the best advice for audiophiles since vinyl and streaming has been invented. And essentially, here comes the secret to become a better audiophile, to develop audio skills that are actually useful and you can benefit to an extreme degree, to as much degree, as much effort you put into it, and best of all, it is 100% free. And if you have not guessed it yet, this is a shameless plugin for my YouTube channel, which is Real World Audio. And if you have found me, you found me probably through one of my videos. And when you find this video or any other, just here underneath, click in onto there, Real World Audio, and there's a nice little icon there. If you click on it, then it will bring up my homepage. I have not clicked on it. Let's just try it again. There we are. There we are, yes. So it brings up the Real World Audio homepage, and then you can just here browse through my videos. And if you just scroll down, here YouTube only shows the last couple of videos that I have posted, and that's it. So you might think that this stupid little channel has 10 videos, so how is this going to help me? Not much. So, but that's not true. You have to click on videos, and this is a great trick. If you found a great YouTube channel that you like and you want to see their videos, go to their homepage and click on the videos link, and then it will show all of the videos that the channel has posted. And you can scroll down and you will find that I have a boatload of videos already. So even though this channel is pretty new, it's been about half a year. I started it about last September, and if you go back in time, here 7 months ago, that's when it started. And I really recommend to just go from the oldest videos and just watch them, because this channel is all about giving audiophiles an education that you can use how to find components in an educated manner so that you know how they work, and you don't just get hung up on the marketing points and the marketing advice, but you really know what is behind those slogans. You really have a better appreciation and better gauging that whenever you are paying for a product, are you paying for the actual content in it, or what is the percentage that you are paying for marketing and just for the pleasure and joy to own a specific brand? So such things are just the start, because I'm also teaching you, my viewers, on the theories that are associated with audio, on the physics, on what makes things possible and how equipment operates. What are the secrets? What are the laws of physics that affect audio? And these might be something that you think it's not too relevant, but it has every relevance. And I have been blessed and fortunate to grow up as an audiophile in an audiophile community. So I had lots of audio brothers and a few audio sisters as well. And we grew up in our audio journey supporting each other. So fortunately, we did not have that element that we were competing with each other. Never once, never in a single time did I feel that someone was singled out because he had a cheaper system than another person. And it was never about price. It was always about exploration, about learning, about holding hands and just propelling each other forward on our audio journey. And that's what made that exceptional success possible that I have seen with my audio friends and also with myself in my experience during the past 20 years. And this is the mentality that I would like to share online with everyone, with every viewer. And that's why my channel is called Real World Audio, because it's not about perfect audio or best component or best deal, but about being real, about being connected to each other, supporting each other, being appreciative of each other, because I have found that even though me and my friends are all lovers of music and lovers of both recorded and live music, there's a lot of us who are musicians, who play music or instruments, but all of our systems sound drastically different from each other. There's very, very few of us who have similar preferences as to what we want to listen. And that's my very serious advice for everyone, that there is not a single path. There's not such a thing as best thing. There's only one thing: finding out what you want and finding out how you can get there. And this is what this channel is about, teaching you to get to that level, that you realize, that you become aware of what do you need to make you happy, and then show you the way how to get there. So thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to my channel and come back, because we are just at the beginning of our journey, and I'm going to post more and more videos, and they will be educational. And if you check out, click on the playlists. My videos are organized into playlists, and the most important, I would say, that's the online audio club. So those videos which are for all audiophiles are there. That's our basic online audio education. My DIY playlist contains videos for the more advanced audiophiles and those who are interested in tweaking or building equipment. I also have the recommendations, which I recommend to everyone. These are not my videos, but links to videos that I found helpful to the audio journey. And there's music. This is just some music that I found online, and just trying out to listen. There's a lot of interesting stuff there, and things that most audiophiles wouldn't think about listening to it. And also you can test your system whether it sounds good or not on your system, because that's also one aspect of an audio system. If you listen to something, even if you have not heard that genre before, if you fall in love with it, that's a sign that you have something cooking there. Music Corner is I would say is a much more helpful than the music playlist, because Music Corner contains my videos about music theory, about music, about records, recording labels, CDs. So that's about my experience that I share with you on how to start up your collection and how to get into classical music. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you will enjoy your time spent on this channel, which is 100% free. I don't have any relations to any companies, so I'm not plugging in products from companies. There's no hidden marketing scheme. If I talk about brands or products, I share it because I have some experience with them that I would like to share with you. I'm not getting a penny for sharing any of those experiences. So thank you. Please like and subscribe and have a wonderful audio journey.